Right, here we go. Today we're learning about how to write an equation for a parallel line. Do you guys know what parallel lines are? Show me with your hands if you know. Nice. They look like railroad tracks, right? They have the same slope. Everybody do this, go like that. Okay, now turn this hand and make this one parallel. Okay, can you turn them together? Parallel lines, right? Okay, now I need somebody to give, that I want to give a prize to, that can tell me something about the slopes of parallel lines. Callie.
They both have the same slope.
Yeah, how do you know?
Because they're both going the exact same way.
Right, they're going the exact same way, and one feature of parallel lines is that they never cross, right? They're like railroad tracks going out infinitely. So if one goes up 1 over 3, the other one is also going up 1 and over 3. They're kind of like doing it together almost. Okay, so I'm gonna write down parallel lines have the same slope. Okay. Example 1. All right, I'm gonna do my notes like this, like usual, in this chapter. So example 1, write the equation of a line that goes through -4, 2 and is parallel to y equals 3x minus 5. Over here on this side, we'll have directions on how to write the equation of a parallel line. So step 1. Oh, I got asked, I think in my other class, not this class, did you guys ask me if there'd be a final? Okay, so there will be a final in this class, but not till the end of the year, because this is a all-year class. I'm afraid you're stuck with me for the entire year. Do you have any other classes that go the entire year? Spanish, anything else? You don't think so? So, just me and Spanish. Lucky you guys, your two favorite subjects. Anyway, we will be not taking a final at the semester change in here, and not even having a big test. Okay, so just normal stuff from me. All right, now before we had a slope and a point, or we'd write a slope by finding the slope using y1 minus y2. Anybody have an idea for this one? How should we start? Just like normal, we're going to need a slope and a y-intercept. And we know that parallel lines have the same slope. Cameron?
Wouldn't we just like reverse do the equation?
What do you mean reverse do the equation?
Do backwards, I guess, unsolve it.
Oh, I see what...
When it the 3 and the x, when it would be the slope.
Yes, the 3 is already the slope. You're exactly right. I'm going to write that down. Use the same slope from the parallel line. Okay. Next question I have is this, do parallel lines have the same y-intercept?
No.
No? Yeah, it could go through different points. Yes, that is exactly right. I'm going to grab some graph paper just to show you. Oh, must have used all of our other graph paper. So You don't have to draw this, you can just watch. All right, Macy, give me a slope, an easy one. Yeah, just a number. Like 1/2, okay. So here's my line, I'm gonna start at 3, go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. And I'm gonna draw that in. I don't know where this ruler came from, and it's the old school. All right. Don't you think I should be a little bit more weirded out by the fact that there's a ruler in my desk that I've never seen before?
Maybe.
Okay. So here's a line, and you guys said that if it has a slope of up 1 over 2, that it's parallel, right? So pick, I don't know, you think I should go below it or above it? Below. I'll just draw it over here. Up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Oop, that one was a little off. Well, not perfect, but you get the idea. They look parallel? Yeah. Do you see, though, how they cross the y-axis at different points? That's what you guys were talking about, right? Sometimes it's hard to visualize this stuff without a picture, but do you guys see how they have different y-intercepts? Sometimes they have the same y-intercept, but that just means they're the exact same line. So, and I'm going to write here, parallel lines have the same slope, different y-intercepts. Just jump in where you can, and I'll make you a copy of my notes, okay? All right, so I'm going to write here for step 1, y equals 3x plus b. So I'm not going to write -5. I'm not copying down the -5 from the first equation. Now what? What did we do before? You plug in the point, -4 and 2, just like both of you guys were saying, right? So step 2, plug in the point for x and y, and solve for b. -4 is x, y is 2, so it's 2 equals 3 times -4 plus b. 2 equals -12 plus b. How do I get b by itself?
Add 12 on both sides.
Subtract a -12 or add 12 to both sides, which both are right. Did you guys get 14?
Yeah.
All right, hands up for this one. What's the final step? Go ahead. Yes, we're going to plug in 14 for B, and we also have to have the 3 in for M. So I'm going to write here, rewrite the equation. It looks like y equals a number, x plus a number. So y equals, in this case, 3x plus 14. Not so bad? Good. All right. We are going to try one more time with your partner, and we're going to get a prize for it, and then we'll move on. Example 2. Write the equation of a line that is parallel to